Now let me explain the AI watermark in CapCut, what it is, and how it functions on your phone. This feature adds a small logo to your videos, as you can see here. On your phone, the AI watermark in CapCut is a mark that appears on your videos, indicating the use of AI features, as shown here. For example, if you use AI features without full access, you may encounter limitations, as you can see here. If you use AI features without full access, or with a free limit, let's get started. I will explain what this means and how it impacts your video editing experience. This AI watermark is a small text or logo that appears on your videos, indicating the use of AI features, as you can see here. CapCut AI is fascinating. Sometimes you might Google it, so let's dive in and explore what we can find together, shall we? Here, for example, let's add this video, and once you export it, you will see the watermark on your screen. As you can see here, there's a little palm icon, and the watermark will appear slightly right. This is a watermark. It indicates that the video was created or processed with specific features, as you can see right here. Using AI tools, when it appears, you can access free AI features. If you want to know more, let's explore this together now. When you use the AI video generator, it automatically creates text or avatars, enhancing your content effortlessly. Effects often come with a watermark, indicating access limitations. There are indeed specific usage limits, as you see. Your AI credits have run out. You can use the trial version instead if you don't have the pro access, as shown here. Subscriptions allow CapCut to automatically add a watermark, as you can see here, enhancing your video content. If you're doing all of this, then there are some templates available, even in Timelapse, as you can see here, that you can utilize effectively. Let's step outside now, and here you can see Timelapse, which often contains various AI templates, as you can see. Watermarker, especially trendy styles or AI features, adds a unique touch. So, how does this actually work? Let's explore. When you create AI videos, CapCut processes them on the server, and the system carefully checks the video type. If you have free access, it adds a watermarker. However, with pro access, the watermarker is removed completely. It gets removed. Thank you all for watching, wishing everyone good luck, and saying goodbye for now. See you soon.